Okay, it's recording. Got it? Just like that. All right, this is actually the very first time with the new 3D printed Inspire clone. This is the maiden voyage, really, after I put the new ESCs in. So, let's boot it up. Gotta make sure we get all the satellites. I've got the GPS hooked up already, the attitude and manual flight modes. I just want to check today and see if it flies and hovers well and if the arms go up and down. And there we are. So we have those. Okay. And you can see everything there good?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right. Actually, it seems like it's going pretty good here so far. And this is the first time it's flying. If you want to come out here, you can. I'm just going to actually transition the arms in a minute. So here goes the arm. I don't remember which one I did though. There's the arm going up. I'm going to put the arms back down. So they transition really well. All right, so that actually went really well. What I'm going to do is, let's unplug this. Now that I know it flies well, the motors are nice and, yeah, they're cool. Motors actually aren't barely warm. So I'm just going to tweak a few things. See about tightening the screws, get it cleaned up a little bit, and I will try the GPS on my next flight. All right.
I couldn't see it.